In this video, we will learn about Spyder IDE. Spyder is one of the IDEs that can be used to write Python programs. So let us understand some basic components of Spyder IDE in this video, and we will see a short demo of writing a code in Spyder and executing it. So here in the top first bar shows different options of the menus like file, edit, search. So this is the main menu bar. Right below the menu bar, we see the shortcuts to execute the program, to execute current cell, debug programs, create a new file, open a file, save the file. So this is also called as toolbar. Right below the toolbar, we have the part which shows the location of your file, existing location of the current file on which we are working. Then we have tab bar which shows all the active files which are currently open in this environment. On the left hand side, the list of numbers shows the number of lines which are existing in your current program. It helps us to trace the sequence of the program and also allows us to understand where the program is facing any error. When you right click on the blank space, you get the context menu which shows different options like run the cell, execute the program, undo, redo, even cut, copy, paste, zoom in, zoom out, and all such options can be seen through this context menu. On the right hand side, with this icon with 3 horizontal dashed, it's an options window which allows you to make the necessary changes in settings and take actions with the IDE environment. The right side windows is split into small windows. So on the top you can see it shows variable explorer, help bar, plots and files. So the tabs are seen here at the bottom like help, variable explorer, plots and files. In variable explorer, basically we can see the value that a particular variable is holding at a particular time in our program. Below that we have the console window, like it is divided into again 3 small tabs like console or history and terminal. You can switch amongst any of these tabs. So Python console is basically considered as an output window for the program that we are executing. So if we execute any of the file, we get the output on this console tab. In history, you can see the history of the files that were executed. So these are basic components of Spyder IDE which allows us to write the code and make it more easy to handle. So let us see a small demo of using Spyder IDE and writing a code. So now let us see how Spyder IDE works. So just go to the search bar and write here Spyder, and the Spyder app can be launched by clicking on the open button here. So once the Spyder IDE is launched, you can see the window loaded with the Spyder IDE components that we had seen in the previous section of this video. Let us start with a new file. So click on File, New File. A new file will get created here and you will see the default file name mentioned here. You can select Python iConsole, history or terminal here. So we will select Python iConsole here on the right side so that we get the output. And we will keep variable explorer as it is, so we get the track of the values that variable is holding. So let us write a small code here. Let's say print in parenthesis in double quotes, welcome to Spyder. And let's say I want to add 2 numbers and print the addition. So I will say a equals to int input. I'm accepting a number from the user. Likewise, I will take it for the another number also. I will say again int input. And now I'm going to print the sum. Comma a plus b. So here I'm printing it. Okay, now let us save the file. So to save the file, you can just click on the save file from this toolbar, or you can say file save, or you simply use the shortcut key, say Ctrl S. So save the file, choose the browsing folder where you want to save your file and just give the file name and say save. So here .py will be the default extension for your Python file, and click on this run file button, or you can also have a shortcut key F5. So by clicking on this button here, it is showing you the output. Say welcome to Spyder, enter a number. I'm entering a number, enter another number, and sum of both the entered number is 150. On top window you can see variable explorer, A and B, both the name, the type of the variables and the value of that variable, and also the size occupied by that variable in the memory. So this is how you can keep track of the variables that are getting used in your program. So I hope this was a very simple and good introductory video for you to understand how Spyder Ide can be used to write your Python code. So we shall explore more about Python programs. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Till then, keep practicing, keep coding. Thank you so much.